Since Monica is mentally incapable of handling her responsibilities, control of the company lands in the hands of her husband. That contract's in there too.
You're good.
Barbara's gonna go nuts.
Who cares? I can't stand that woman.
Oh, and my invoice is also in there.
We're not gonna have any problem paying you. Relax. The adoption went through, right?
Well, sure, but
Why would you think that? Mine. We wouldn't give her to those two idiots. Actually, I've got plans for them.
well, you're on your own then.
Relax. You haven't done anything illegal yet. Adoption, the marriage, and as soon as Dr. Sommmer signs off on the mental evaluations.
That is correct.
Babysitting. He's out. What does it matter?
I don't understand why.
We don't have time for this. Where's Maddie?
She's inside eating her lunch. Why? What are you doing?
We're getting our granddaughter.
Yes, we can.
You have no rights.
I am her grandmother. I have every right in the world. What right do you have?
Her father left me in charge.
Jonathan is her father.
No. Kevin adopted her. He's her father. Kevin's gonna be here any minute. Barbara! You are idiots. I can't believe I let Kevin marry into this family. Are you okay, sweetie? Yeah. Are you?
If they get into a terrible car accident on a rainy night, we won't have to.
That's a good idea. Put him in their car, throw him off a cliff. That could work.
Something like that.
Herself to sleep. She's gonna be out for a long
Hold
time.
on a sec, I got a call coming in.
She's not supposed to be calling you at all.
I don't know, but if...
When are you coming home?
Alright, hold on. Pills, haven't you?
Yes. I've been taking the pills and flushing them down the toilet.
Okay, you know what, babe? You're just having a moment. Why don't you just call...
Trusting me, Kevin.
You think you're so smart.
You're gonna. That's why I'm doing this. I want what's best for you. And Maddie. I'm a better architect than you. I'm a better executive than you. I'm a better wife than you. And I'm definitely a better mother than you. Facing you. I gotta go. I want to talk to my lawyer.
You'll get to speak with your lawyer.
Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous.
Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can pass you a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. You can afford an attorney. Do you understand these rights?
Thank you. These cuffs are too tight. They're hurting.
Man, what's your head?
Dispatch.